Okay, this is a puppy of Tina and Max. Wednesday next week is gonna make them 2 weeks. This is a May pup. Look at the marks. Oosh. This guy is something else. We are doing the dogging of the tail. Good. Kamasa. Okay. This is one of the females. Just like daughter, like father. Look at the face. Red machine. Wednesday is gonna make them 2 weeks. It's a female pup. Another female. Look at the face. Wednesday is gonna make them 2 weeks, so they're just 1 week something, some days now. Oh my god, 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 puppy dropping. Oh my god, la coco la my god. Guys, this puppy is something else. Female. Wednesday is gonna make them 2 weeks, as I told you guys. This is Ego Bwabo reporting live from Boya. Viewers all over the world, watch your screen. Watch your screen. Watch your screen. Watch your screen. This is La Coco La My God. Zuzuzwa. Ah, coco.